Hello, in today's safety video we're going to show you how safely to tip asphalt from a tipper vehicle, either using shooter vehicles or the half back door method. The beauty of using a video is we can overcome written words and language barriers because people imitate what they see, and today's example will show you both good and bad practices when tipping asphalt. In this example we're going to tip the vehicle up so we can get the material to the back door, which is visible now to the operatives. What the operatives are going to do is stop the driver as the material comes towards the back door. He will then stop the vehicle from tipping, and the operatives will control the flow by raking the material out into barrels. Of the vehicle and raise the rams up to its third collar on the tipping gear to show you how fast and how dramatic the flow of material is at that point out of the back door. Taking the tipping gear up a mere half a ram, with it being uncontrolled by the operatives, you can see there was a flooding, a fast flow of the material, and the barrels have now been flooded. Next we have a video to show you of a real life tipping operation that went badly wrong. Initially, the operative asks the tipper driver to raise his body. This he does until he gets a halfway point where he appears to wait for them further instruction from the operatives. But at the back of the vehicle, the operatives are moving their barrows, placing the job ready, but do not appear to be giving additional instruction to the driver. So the driver continues to raise his tipper body. Unfortunately, more material falls onto the back of the wagon and creates a force that defeats some of the safety objects. One thing we have found is a safety pin was not put in position that could have stopped this operation. And as you will see, material falls out violently and could have engulfed any operative at the back of the vehicle.